Junnie and a little girl. They need someone to help them. Someone like you. It's certainly not her fault she was born in this hellhole. Sir, please. I'm begging you. Junnie needs you. Save Junnie and the baby, sir.
If you don't survive, my baby will die too. You said the most important thing. Saving my little girl.
I swore the child would be safe. You swore? To Junnie?